Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial where we're gonna finish up our player controller and add some double jumping and make the camera follow the player. So the first thing we want to do is to go to Package Manager and download Cinemachine. If you can't find Cinemachine, click here, and then you can use search for it. Here it should be an install button. Then we want to create a virtual camera. Now click on the new Cinemachine game object, and in the follow variable you want to put in your player. As you can see, our camera is now following our player. If you want a more in-depth video about Cinemachine, you can go watch Bracky's video about it. To fix the camera stutter, you're gonna go to your main camera and then change everything here to fixed update. As you can see, it's now fixed. So let's now implement a double jump system. Our player controller adds some new variables. The public, integer, total jumps. An integer is a whole number. And then we want a private integer jumps. So our jumps will determine how many times we're allowed to jump. So let's now reset our jumps when we are if we are on the ground. So in update we want to check if we are grounded, and if we are not using our jump key, and if that's true, we want to reset our jumps. So jumps total. If we go back to Unity now, and now in Unity, if we put in a value in total jumps, like 2, as you can see, our jumps resets when we are landed. So let's now actually put this to use. So in our jump function, we want to add a new check. We want to this check actually. I'm gonna see if we are actually jumping, and this is to remove a bug, to put everything in here. And then here I want to say or jumps are not equal to 0. So we are now allowed to jump if jumps aren't 0, and then we want to reduce our jumps when we are jumping, so we can't jump infinitive times. Now, as you can see, we can double jump, and the gravity is very crazy, right? Narrow that down. We have a more responsive controller here. We can jump, we can change this to something like 5. Now we can double jump 5 times. So thanks for watching this video. If you want me to add anything new to this play controller, or if you want me to make a tutorial on something specific, comment it down below and subscribe if you want. Like the video if you enjoyed the tutorial, or dislike it if you hated it. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.